Commerce, Mansoor University. As we all know, today we are here for our Diksha Aram program. The term Diksha Aram means initiation of education. Now, here comes a question in your mind that you already had completed your plus 2 level. Then, why this Diksha Aram again? My dear freshers, in our school life, you learned basic knowledge. But in university, you will not only gain knowledge, you will also learn enormous skills which will help you in your career as well as in your life. For every student, leaving school and entering into university is one of the biggest achievements. I'm sure you all are damn excited, a little bit nervous, and tremendously enthusiastic for your university life. Before moving forward, let me tell you about our department. The department was established in the year of 2008 with MBA and BBA under the affiliation of Vikram University. In year 2016, the department expanded with its portfolio with BBA, BCom, MBA and PhD program under the umbrella of Mansoor University. Our curriculum is designed to provide knowledge and skills, both functional and integrative in every aspect with an emphasis of leadership, entrepreneurship, practical accounting and many more. जैसा कि हम सभी को ज्ञात है, किसी भी शुभ कार्य का आरंभ करने से पूर्व ईश्वर की स्तुति की जाती है, जो विद्या की देवी, कुंद के फूल, चंद्रमा, हिम राशि और मोती के हार की तरह धवल वर्ण की है, जो श्वेत वस्त्र धारण करती है, जिसके हाथ में वीणा और दंड शोभायमान है, तथा जिन्होंने श्वेत कमल पर आसन ग्रहण किया है, वही संपूर्ण जड़ता और अज्ञानता को दूर कर देने वाली भगवती माँ सरस्वती की वंदना आप सभी के समक्ष प्रस्तुत है। Oh, what a mesmerizing Saraswati Vandana. Now, I'm gonna to hand over today's program to Avisha Jain. I wish you a very happy, successful life ahead, and I hope we will meet soon. Thank you.
Thank you, Neha. A very good morning to our faculty and our freshers. I, Avisha Jain, welcome you all, our new freshers on behalf of Mansoor University, putting efforts digitally, nevertheless from a party. Hope you all are enjoying this. Without wasting our time, now it's time to invite our respected HOD, Head of Department, Mr. Avinash Sir, to guide our new students with his kind words.
I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So welcome students. I Avinash Vikram, Head of Department, welcomes you all to the Department of Business Administration and Commerce. Today, You all are going to start a new beginning of our education. So firstly, you need to understand what is education. So basically, the purpose of education is to replace an empty mind with an open one. शिक्षा का एक मात्र मकसद होता है एक खुले दिमाग को खाली दिमाग से रिप्लेस करना. So we all are here for education and we are emphasizing on experiential and extracurricular learning to cultivate the skills and competencies which will provide you a professional success. This is the most important part of your life. The hands-on practical learning, internships, leadership programs, out-of-the-box thinking approach will make you a future ready for industry as well as for your own business and your own career. Our goal is to prepare you to have a knowledge, skills, and confidence to succeed from the day one. The faculty members of this university are teachers, leaders, and the mentors for you. Firstly, the starting of the session, you need to inculcate two important principles. The first principle is the law of attractions. सपने वो नहीं जो हम नींद में देखते हैं, सपने वो हैं जो हमको नींद नहीं आने देते हैं. So you should always have dreams in your minds, and the dreams will give you positive vibes. And these positive vibes will attract the things which will make it happen. And the second principle of your life is the principle of 90-10. This is given by the most important author, Stephen Covey. He has given his books, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, so that 90% of the things is decided in your hand, but the 10% of the things which is not decided, and rest 90% is depend on how you are reacting on that 10%. So basically 10% चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो आपके हाथ में नहीं है, बट उन पे आप कैसा रिएक्ट करते हैं वो आपकी 90% चीज़ों पे रिएक्ट करती हैं. So in this department you have lots of events, activities, academic certifications, many more surprises at every moment during your journey of graduation. So be a good learner first, and then you will become a good leader. So thank you, students, and welcome again to the department.
Thank you so much, sir, for your precious words. Okay, so now moving towards, it's time for some amazing riddles. Okay, so the rules are, as I say the question, the one who wants to answer can write their name in chat box. We'll select one student and you have to answer the question. So, first question is, what can't be used until it's broken? Write your name in chat box who want to answer this. What can't be used until it's broken? Am I audible?
Yes, Avisha, you are audible. Students,
Okay,
please listen to her. She's trying to, explain you.
Am I audible now? Okay, so the question is, repeating again, the rules are the one who want to answer this can write their name in chat box, and the question is, what can't be used until it's broken? Okay, Abhishek Gupta. Abhishek Gupta. Can I unmute your mic and please answer the question? Don't write answer, please. Abhishek. Abhishek Gupta. It's egg. Okay, it's right answer. So the next question is, I am full of holes. I am full of holes, but I can hold water. I am full of holes, but I can hold water. Sponge. Very good. So, at last but not the least, what is the question you can never answer yes to? What is the question you can never answer yes to. Renu Gopal Iyer, please, you are answering all the questions, so I hope you can answer this too. What is the question you can never answer yes to? Not this one. Okay, anybody else? Are you right? Maybe this is the one, and one more, please. One more, please. Okay, so one is are you dead, and one more is are you asleep yet? Many times I wasn't sleeping, and my mom asked me, "Are you sleeping, Amisha?" And I answered yes. So immediately I received something, and that is flying chappal. Sorry. Okay, moving towards. So now it's time to call a respected sir, Dr. Mukesh sir, to guide our students and make this program more beautiful.
Thank you, Avisha. Good morning to all the faculty members and all the new and vibrant students, those who are joining this prestigious university and STEM department of the Mandsauri University. So first of all, I congratulate you all students for joining Department of Management and Commerce. And I also welcome you on behalf of entire Mandsauri University family. Dear students, what is Diksharam? As already Neha told that it is an initiation of the education. Yes, all right. But now I would like to elaborate the concept of Diksharam. Basically, it is a kind of student induction program, and it was started by the MHRD. MHRD, you know about MHRD? It is Ministry of Human Resource Development. Under that MHRD, we all are taking educations, and the MHRD has given guideline to UGC to conduct such kind of program for the students, and such program is known as Diksha Aram. So we are going to start our education and the education of college life. So students, it is nothing, it is a kind of student induction program. Now what is the objective of the Diksha Aram program, and why the Department of Management Commerce we are celebrating, and we are today we are organizing such kind of program? Just because that you are now joining this university, you must be accommodate, you must inculcate what kind of culture we have. So this program will bridge the gap between you and us. Now we will be a part of this department, and formally we all are the members of this family, Department of Management and Commerce. So students, on this occasion, I would like to tell you that you will be a part of this university for at least 3 years, and in these 3 years you are going to make your career in the field whatever you decided for that. Someone will become a chartered accountant, some will become company secretary, some will become an entrepreneur, some will manage their own business, and some will prepare for the government jobs. So I assure on the behalf of the Department of Management and Commerce that we, all the faculty members, we are 24/7, we are available for you students, and collaboratively we will achieve the target of your life, because your vision is our mission. Whatever you are planning for career, now in this 3 year of mission, we will provide you a platform, and the Mandsauri University itself provide a lot of platforms for you guys. Like after taking the admission in the department, you will enjoy the academic environment, extracurricular activities. Our task is to accommodate yourself with the kind of academic culture as well as the other extracurricular activities. हमारा जो उद्देश्य होता है ये नहीं कि हम आपको केवल एक डिग्री दें, एक पढ़ाई कराएं. हमारा जो एक पर्पस है, और डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट कॉमर्स और मंदसौर यूनिवर्सिटी एक शुरुआत से लेकर अभी तक हायर एजुकेशन के अंदर एक अपना एक नाम है, एक अपना एक एस्टीम्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के रूप में जाना जाता है. उसके पीछे की कारण है कि यूनिवर्सिटी का एक हमेशा एक कॉन्सेप्ट और एक ऑब्जेक्टिव रहा है कि हम स्टूडेंट्स को इस एकेडमिक एनवायरनमेंट के साथ साथ इस कॉम्पिटिटिव एनवायरनमेंट के साथ भी उससे जुड़ाव करें. एंड नो डाउट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट कॉमर्स वी हैव द प्लेथोरा ऑफ एक्टिविटीज फॉर यू. इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम्स, trainings, extracurricular activities, industrial visits, ये सभी चीजें मिलकर एक अच्छे भविष्य का निर्माण आप लोगों के लिए करने जा रहा है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, इस मौके पर कुछ गाइडलाइंस जो दीक्षा आरंभ प्रोग्राम के अंदर MHRD ने दी है, मैं भी आपके साथ कुछ साझा करना चाहता हूं कि एज अ स्टूडेंट व्हाट इज योर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। ट्रीट ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी as your family members. Respect all the staff members, respect all the stakeholders of the education in the university. Ensure your action have a positive impact on the university. And I'm not saying that only in university, whatever education you are taking, it should be spreaded over the society as well, and one day will become a part of this developed economy in upcoming years. Pursue the academic and professional studies in a designed, honest, and responsibility manner. Engage with the all kind of activities whatever university is going to organize in the next 3 years. So comply with the university norms and policy whatever we have. So basically these are the guidelines that have been given by the MHRD and UGC, so that the student must aware about this kind of guideline. So I'm not taking much of time, and before ending my speech, I am just sharing one of the quotation and one of the message of Swami Vivekananda. एक विचार लें, उस विचार को अपनी जिंदगी बना लें, उसके बारे में सोचिए, उसके बारे में सपने देखिए, उस विचार को जिए। आपका मन, आपकी मांसपेशियां, आपके शरीर का हर एक अंग सभी उस विचार से भरपूर हो और दूसरे सभी विचारों को छोड़ दें। यही एक सफलता का तरीका है। तो स्वामी विवेकानंद ने इस मैसेज में हमें यही कहा है कि एक इनिशिएट करें, एक ऑब्जेक्टिव बनाएं, एक गोल बनाएं, और उस गोल को प्राप्त करने के लिए हम जी जान से मेहनत करें, हम एफर्ट्स लगाएं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words and guidance. I wish Ajin welcomes you all again, and now I hand over this to Mansi Mehta. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Risha. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Dear friends, today or rather a month back, you have started this new journey along with this department, which will take all of us forward, because there are many strong pillars in this department who will always take this department forward. क्योंकि कहते हैं ना, यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, एक जुनून सा दिल में जगाना होता है, और वही जुनून आपके और हमारे दिल में जगाते हैं हमारे डिपार्टमेंट के स्टार्स, हमारे डिपार्टमेंट के स्ट्रॉन्ग पिलर्स। तो उसी डिपार्टमेंट के स्ट्रॉन्ग पिलर्स से फैमिलियर करवाने के लिए नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट डॉक्टर अजहर अहमद शेख।
Thank you, Mansi. Good morning to all dear faculty members and the creator of future of nation, dear students. I'm Dr. Azhar Ahmed Sheikh, and on behalf of the Department of Business Administration and Commerce, Mansoor University, I extend a warm welcome to all of you in the Diksha Aarambh 2020-2021. I'm here to give you an overview regarding the Board of Management of our university and the, how department works, and what are the schemes and the curriculum you are going to study in the your 3-year program. So let me share my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
It is visible now. Okay, so the first question arises in your mind, who we are. So it's about us. Neha already gave you the brief introduction regarding the department. The department was established in the year 2008 with the MBA and BBA program under the affiliation with Vikram University Ujjain. And in the year of 2016, the department expanded its portfolio with BBA, BCom, MBA and PhD program under the umbrella of Mansoor University. The curriculum for the BBA and BCom program is designed to provide knowledge, skills, both functional and integrative, in every aspect with an emphasis on leadership, entrepreneurship, practical accounting, and many more. One thing I would like to quote here that university follow a specific academic calendar for the each session. जो मेन पॉइंट एकेडमिक कैलेंडर से रिलेटेड है वो ये है कि यूनिवर्सिटी जो एकेडमिक कैलेंडर इशू करती है उसी को फॉलो किया जाता है और जो डेट इसमें मेंशन की गई है उसी डेट पर सारे इवेंट्स जो हैं वो ऑर्गेनाइज किए जाते हैं। तो किसी भी कंडीशन में ये डेट्स जो है वो चेंज नहीं होती है except the any natural calamities. So this is the academic calendar for the second and third year. So likewise, you will also have an academic calendar for your first year. Now comes to the scheme of your course. The first one is the BBA, and same is the BCom. This is the 3-year course divided into the 6 semester. Each in first year you are going to study the first semester and second semester. Both the semester have the total 24 credits with the 600 maximum marks. And the important thing regarding the curriculum is your curriculum includes the 3 theoretical paper and 2 numerical paper or practical papers. The weightage of the theoretical and practical papers are same. We can say the 300 marks for the theoretical paper and 300 marks for the practical papers. But in practical papers, with the theoretical aspects, जो आप theoretical चीज़ें क्लासरूम टीचिंग में सीखेंगे उन्हीं को हम कंप्यूटर के थ्रू किस तरीके से मैनेज कर सकते हैं, या अगर मैं बात करूं फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग की तो किस तरीके से हम अकाउंट्स को कंप्यूटर के थ्रू बना सकते हैं या कंपनीज में किस तरीके से अकाउंटिंग की जा सकती है, उसे हम कंप्यूटर बेस्ड हैंड्स ऑन प्रैक्टिस के थ्रू सीखेंगे। यही चीज़ हम बिजनेस मैथमेटिक्स में भी सीखेंगे। सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में भी सेम स्कीम हम फॉलो करेंगे। इसमें 5 पेपर है, जिसमें से 3 थेरेटिकल पेपर और 2 न्यूमेरिकल पेपर है आपके, जिसमें बिजनेस स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड कंपनी अकाउंट्स है। जो इसमें एक प्रैक्टिकल पोर्शन आप लोग सीखेंगे कि किस तरीके से स्टैटिस्टिक्स के डिफरेंट यूजेस जो है उन्हें हम कंप्यूटर्स पर किस तरीके से अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, कैसे कंप्यूटर्स हमें हेल्प करता है, और कंपनी अकाउंट्स हम किस तरीके से कंप्यूटर्स में मैनेज कर सकते हैं। लाइकवाइज इन बीकॉम also 5 papers are there in BCom, 2 practical and 3 theoretical papers having total credits of 24 with the total marks of 600. The practical papers are financial accounting and business mathematics. The same scheme is also followed in the BCom first semester and BCom second semester. Now this is the very important aspect, the promotion rules. So how a student can be promoted from first year to second year and second year to third year. The first and important thing is 75% attendance is mandatory in the online as well as offline classes. The passing criteria is 35% and the end semester test marks. If a student, अगर किसी student के CGPA 4 या 4 से ज़्यादा हैं या उसने 50% क्रेडिट से अर्न कर ली है तो उसे सेकेंड ईयर में प्रमोट किया जा सकेगा। और अगर किसी स्टूडेंट ने 4.5 CGPA से ज़्यादा या उसके बराबर या 60% क्रेडिट अर्न कर ली है तो वो थर्ड ईयर में प्रमोट के लिए एलिजिबल होगा। Now have a look at the our board of management. Shri Narendra Nahata ji, Honorable Chancellor Mansoor University, Shri Rahul Nahata ji, Executive Chairman Mansoor University, Dr. Shailendra Sharma, Honorable Vice Chancellor Mansoor University, Professor Ashish Parikh, Registrar Mansoor University. Along with your theoretical knowledge, we are providing you some hands-on training with some external experts. So you are going to complete these hands-on training with semester wise. In each semester, you have to complete certain hands-on trainings. So this is the list of the hands-on training you are going to complete semester wise. Now, be possible without pillars. So a department cannot exist without the faculty members. So let's have a look at the pillars of the department. Professor Avinash Vikram, head of the department, having more than 10 years of experience in the academia as well as in research. His area of specialization is financial management, financial accounting, cost accounting, banking and insurance, investment and portfolio management. Dr. Mukesh Kumar Sharma, Associate Professor, having more than 9 years of experience in academia and research. Uh, in his credit, 15 research papers has been published in the various national, international reputed journals. The area of specialization is financial management, financial accounting, cost accounting, banking and insurance, income tax, and research methodology. Dr. Gopal Krishna Rathod, having more than 13 years of experience as an academician and researcher. He has vast experience in the research as well as in the corporate sector, and his area of specialization is taxation, financial accounting, cost accounting, banking and insurance, economics, data analysis with SPSS. Dr. Azhar Ahmed Sheikh, having more than 8 years of experience in academia and research. So the area of specialization is quantitative techniques in management, research methodology, investment management, derivatives and risk management. And in his credit, more than 4 research papers has been published in the national and international reputed journals. Professor Saurabh Mishra, assistant professor, having more than 9 years of experience as an academician and researcher. He has also more than 5 years of corporate experience. The area of specialization is marketing management, consumer behavior, sales and advertising, product and brand management. Professor Sonakshi Agrawal, assistant professor, having more than 5 years of experience in academia as well as in corporate sector. In his credit, 2 research papers has been published in various national reputed journals. The area of specialization is marketing, advertising, organization behavior, economics, and computer application. Professor Ruben Shah, assistant professor, having more than 3 years of experience in corporate sector as well as in academia and research. The area of specialization is human resource management, international human resource management, personnel development, corporate or employment laws, and human resource information system, etc. Professor Shyamlal Patidar, having more than 3.5 years of experience in academia and research. And the area of specialization is Indian financial system, financial management, financial accounting, cost accounting, international trade, and finance. Along with the classroom teachings, we have certain tie-ups with the various national and international organizations like National Dong Hua University, Taiwan Multi-Commodity Exchange, Moscow State University, Russia, Tally Solutions. So you are going to gain certain educational program or any additional training from these institutions with our tie-ups. Along with the all the aspects, we have well-equipped lab and the classrooms for the BBA and the BCom programs. And along with the regular classroom teachings, we have certain adjunct guest lecturers who provides the different kinds of lectures on the certain contemporary issues or the recent relevant topic in the commerce and management. So these are the some adjunct lectures which have been conducted by the department. So that's all from my side, and thank you so much. Good luck for your bright careers.
Thank you so much, sir, for your teacher. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams और वो ड्रीम ये डिपार्टमेंट हर रोज देखता है और उन ड्रीम्स को पूरा भी करता है. So now I would like to invite Professor Ruben Shah for a little glimpse of achievements, rewards, activities and tools of DBLC.
Thank you so much, Mansi. Good morning, one and all present over here. My best regard to everyone over here. To start with, I would welcome you all on this beautiful journey of new phase of life, Diksha Aram. This induction program, named as Diksha Aram, is organized exclusively for you and to welcome you. It is a day full of mixed kinds of emotions like warmth, happiness, laugh, excitement, and fear. But let me assure you all that this is going to be a memorable period for you all. This day is purely for celebration and not to give lecture. Many of you must be having various questions, but don't worry, we are there to help you find the answers to all. Try to connect more with your colleagues as well as your seniors. Try to be participative, be extraordinary, and then see how time flies. This day, when this phase will end, you will surely find a bunch of happy memories with you to laugh and treasure. So, without wasting any further time, let me present my screen to you to tell you more about the Department of Business Administration and Commerce. So, is my screen visible to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me take you on a short tour of Department of Business Management fun factors and achievements and rewards. In this slide, you can see that our students have won many awards in various programs. This is the student of BCom, Shine B. Mansoori and Alfia Jamali. They stood toppers in the banking workshop and also in the news anchoring competition held in the university, where the chief guest was Miss Chanda Kothari and Mr. Brajesh Joshi. Here you can see one of our students of MBA. She presented a research paper in international conference in Amity University, Noida during her journey of MBA. Also, Mr. Hariom Sahu, a student of BCom 2018 batch, he scored a brilliant performance award in National Accounting Talent Search competition in 2019. Further, one of our students of BBA, he took a second rank in Wizard competition in 2017 and with a reward of 15,000 rupees in cash. Along with Deepak, you can see one of our students of MBA, Miss Mona Sharma. She is a very good artist and she held an exhibition and known as Kala Darpan 2, and it was also an open state level art and photography competition where she is presenting her paintings during the open state level photography competition. She is a very well artist. Also, you can see we have a student of BBA 2018 batch, Ms. Priyanshi Ranka, who became a content writer during her BBA studies at Vedamore Private Limited, Noida. Then you can see Suman Gurjar and Suniti in this photograph. They are holding an award for the competition held in university. In the bottom, you can see Department of Business Administration and Commerce industrial visit to the Baswara. Then talking about the event activities. Here are the few pictures of the event held in Mansoor University known as Bollywood Attire Day, where students they became the characters of different Bollywood movies. As you can see in the first picture, the students have took the get-up of Dabang as Salman Khan and Sonakshi. Then in the next picture, you can see Shah Rukh Khan, Kajol and Rani Mukherjee. Similarly, there are various characters of the movie of Shah Rukh Khan and Shahid Kapoor, and at the last you can see the get-up of Ram Leela. So various activities are held in the department in the university where students participate with full enthusiasm. Now talking about the most important part of your graduation period, the tours, right? I know every student is very much excited about the tours and trips during their studies, whether we talk about it at the school level or the university level. These are some of the memorable moments which remains with you forever. Here you can see some of the pictures where we went on tour to Jaisalmer, Jodhpur and various parts of Rajasthan. Here is a trip of Ranthambore Jungle Safari, where we went to see and explore the forest area of Ranthambore or Savai Madhopur. Then this was an event which was organized in the Department of Mansoor University, that is Department of Business Administration and Commerce. In this event, all the main areas of organizing this particular event was done by the students only, and the main students responsible for conducting this event were in coordination with the faculties of our department were the batch of MBA 2018 and 2017. They all organized this particular event in collaboration with the faculties of our department, and this was a grand success at the university level. Here the students they learn certain shall I say the practical aspects of how to manage things, right? So whatever we are studying is not just for the theoretical purpose, but they also want to convert it into the practical way. So student learn many ways of managing the things, how they can manage the things, right? So here is the activity. This activity's name was the Elp Food Fest competition, right? And I'm sure that in the coming time you will also be organizing such activities. In these pictures you can see an organized activity known as BizFest, and it was also a brand bazaar where different brands were represented by students in our department. In the bottom pictures you can see drama competitions was organized where our student they scored first prize. They were the toppers in this particular activity. Similarly, Abhivakti 2017 was also done, in which we talked about the future of Mansoor University or the future of education, where our students scored the prize. Again, we talk about the tour, excursion tour and industrial visit. Department of Business Administration and Commerce, they went on industrial visit to Baswara to explore how the things work in organized way. Then you can also see the picture of Dharmarajeshwar and Gandhi Sagar. Here is an industrial visit to Parle Agro Private Limited. This tour was conducted so that the student can understand how the things work in production, how the production is done in the various area or various assembly line of a particular company. Then this is a picture of international tour to Thailand. These are the list of certain few industrial visits that we have conducted. There are many more which you can see. I know I'm a very bit short of time I am having, so I won't be able to present you each and every visits and tours that I have or the department have conducted, but there is a few of them which we have conducted. That is Baswara, Parle Agro at Nimrana, IPCA at Ratlam, Amul and NDB at Anand, then Adani Port at Kandidham, Research to Ralegan Siddhi, and at IIM Indore. Then talking about the study things. Internships. We have tie-ups with various organizations or businesses in various parts of India where we send our students for training purposes. A few of them are Axis Bank, Sharekhan, Karvi, Bajaj Alliance, Linkroot, Ahmedabad, okay, Opulence, Smriti Bank, ICICI, and various other organizations where our students are already doing their trainings and placements. Now talking about the placements. As you can see in these pictures, our students have already took the recruitment. They participated in various recruitment activities held, or shall I say the campus drive held at our university, and got selected with highest package. Suniti Saini from MBA, she was selected at Extra Marks Limited with the highest package of 12.40 lakh per annum. Suman Gurjar, she was also selected in the same company with the same package, that is of 12.40 lakh per annum. Ritik Jaiswani, student of BBA, he was selected in Toppers Limited with a package of 10 lakh per annum. Similarly, Tanay Soni, also from the BBA, he also got selected with a package of 10 lakh per annum in Toppers Private Limited. Then Sweeti Tiwari from MBA, she got selected in Just Dial. Mohammad Firoz from MBA got selected in Just Dial. Fatima Bora in Just Dial. Mahin Khan from BBA got selected in Collabra Services. Various other organizations you can see, like Karishma Pagani got selected in Acad Craft, Harshita Ingard in Acad Craft, Raj Dandani Kumawat in Sri Ram General Insurance Corporate Limited, Neha Parwani, she got selected in Sri Ram General Insurance. Neha Parwani also went for international internship in Dubai in West Zone Private Limited from our institution. Nikhil Porwal also got selected in BBA in ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, Raviraj Singh in ICICI Prudential, Harshit Agrawal. Okay, so these are just the few students that I am representing you over on behalf of the department. Various students have been taking part in campus drive in Mansoor University and are getting selected. Recently, during the lockdown period, also our students got selected in various companies and are working very well remotely from their home. Due to this pandemic situation, they are doing their work from home. So I also seek that in future you will also take part in the various placement activities and will get selected. And your photographs will also be placed over here. Right? So this is not all. We have various levels of students. Don't get dissatisfied if you can see some of the low package also of the students. This is according to the will of students where they want to go. If you will develop, work hard, develop the skills and abilities during this program of BBA and BCom in these 3 years, I'm sure you will also get the highest package, and your photograph will be placed in various areas of Mandsaur and other districts also. Here are some few names of the companies which we have sent our students to: Axis Bank, Wellchaser, Sundaram Finance, Bajaj Alliance, Waste 2 Capital, Epic Research, Smriti Bank, Kotak Mahindra, Amazon. Various other organizations also are there, which you can see a list of them when you will come to department for your studies. So I would like to end my conversation with you guys over here, this presentation, and I will now hand over to the next person.
Thank you so much, sir, How will meet soon. तेज हवाओं में उड़ते हैं जो परिंदे, उन परिंदों के पर नहीं हौसले मजबूत होते हैं. And our spirit is also very high, and we have touched the new dimension of success with the same encouragement. So now I would like to invite Dr. Gopal Krishna Rathore to make you all aware of the scope of departments.
Hello, am I audible? Mansi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So very good morning, everyone. Just I am presenting my screen that I will start. So slide is visible for everyone. Mansi? My PPT.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so very good morning everyone and welcome to DBMC Faculty of Business Administration and Commerce. I, Dr. Gopal Krishna Rathore, on behalf of Faculty of Business Administration and Commerce, I would like to present the scope in commerce and management. Before starting this particular slide, before starting this particular presentation, I would like to say something. कि खिड़कियां खोलो सुबह की रोशनी आने को है, खिड़कियां खोलो सुबह की रोशनी आने को है, फिर तुम्हारे घर तुम्हारी जिंदगी आने को है. खिड़कियां खोलो सुबह की रोशनी आने को है, फिर तुम्हारे घर तुम्हारी जिंदगी आने को है. अपने पाँव से कह दो प्रस्थान की आहट सुने, अपने पाँव से कह दो प्रस्थान की आहट सुने. मीन्स प्रॉब्लम्स आर गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट, द प्रॉब्लम्स इज गोइंग, प्रॉब्लम जा रही है, तो खिड़कियां खोलो सुबह की रोशनी आने को है, फिर तुम्हारे घर तुम्हारी जिंदगी आने को है. अपने पाँव से कह दो प्रस्थान की आहट सुने, और आंगन से कह दो दालान की आहट सुने. अब तुम्हारे होठों पर फिर हंसी आने को है, खिड़कियां खोलो सुबह की रोशनी आने को है. So again, welcome to everyone. In this particular session, I would like to discuss on the scope in commerce and management. So everybody know that the economy of India is divided into three parts. First is three pillars. First is primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. So there are a lot of huge opportunities for the students of commerce and management in three all that sectors. So one by one I would like to discuss on every aspects, every sectors. First one is scope in primary sectors. There are a lot of opportunities available in primary sectors, everyone, like pharma based enterprises, organic and floriculture, high-tech agriculture, medicine plant, aeronautic plants, commercial forestry, etc., food processing and agro-waste related industries as well, the pesticides productions related industries, animal husbandry based enterprises, sericulture related industries, agriculture related industries, traditional handicraft and handloom. So again, question is that how can we get the job, how can we get the work in this particular field as a student of commerce and management? So dear all, you should know that कि हम लोग यहाँ पर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप आप लोगों को पढ़ाएंगे, और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में हम लोग विल ट्राई टू गिव द ऑल द एस्पेक्ट्स. एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एज वेल एज जो अदर सब्जेक्ट्स है वो सारे आपको कहीं ना कहीं एक अच्छा एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बनने के लिए हेल्प करेगा. जो आप प्राइमरी सेक्टर्स में जो आपको डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स बताए हैं, उन सेक्टर्स में आप अपनी इंडस्ट्री एस्टेब्लिश कर सकते हैं एज वेल एज अपना एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट कर सकते हैं. तो दीज आर द सेक्टर्स वेयर यू कैन वर्क as a student of commerce and management. Second thing, what is the basic requirement of primary sectors? अगर primary sectors में आप incorporate होना चाहते हैं, अगर primary sectors में आप अपना job start करना चाह रहे हैं, या फिर प्राइमरी सेक्टर्स में आप एज एंटरप्रेन्योर स्टार्ट करने चाह रहे हैं, तो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है यू हैव अ प्रॉपर लैंड, वो इट मे बी लैंडेड या ऑन, आपका खुद का अगर भूमि है, जमीन है, एग्रीकल्चर लैंड है वो चाहिए, और वर्किंग कैपिटल चाहिए जो कि डिफरेंट सोर्सेस से आप अरेंज कर सकते हैं. स्कोप क्या क्या है, फार्मिंग को लेकर है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इन रूरल डेवलपमेंट्स पे भी आप वर्क कर सकते हैं, बिजनेस एस्टैब्लिशमेंट एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड एज वेल एज वेरियस टाइप के जो बिजनेस जो अभी डिस्कशन हमने की है वो आप एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड में स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज स्कोप इन सेकेंडरी सेक्टर. सेकेंडरी सेक्टर बड़ा ही वास्ट एरिया है जिसमें काफी सारे इंडस्ट्रीज हम लोग एस्टेब्लिश होती है. द बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर द सेकेंडरी सेक्टर्स आर कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड स्किल रिलेटेड टू इंडस्ट्रियल एंड बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट. You have to some capitals as well as the skill related to industry एंड बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट। अगर आपके पास स्किल्स हैं, आपके पास इंडस्ट्री डेवलपमेंट से रिलेटेड इश्यूज हैं, को जानते हैं अच्छे से, एंड यू विल लर्न फ्रॉम हियर ओनली। मंदसौर यूनिवर्सिटी में फैकल्टी बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में आप लोग कॉमर्स और जो मैनेजमेंट के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आप लोग सीखेंगे कि कैसे इंडस्ट्रीज डेवलप होती है, किस तरह से उनके इंडस्ट्री और बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट के इश्यूज हैं इन डिफरेंट सेशंस। स्कोप्स, द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ ऑन इंडस्ट्री, खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, या फिर ऑलरेडी जो आपके ऑन इंडस्ट्रीज है उसको आप क्या कर सकते हैं, एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं। एस्टेब्लिश योर ऑन बिजनेस, खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। दीज आर द स्कोप्स अवेलेबल फॉर द स्टूडेंट ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड मैनेजमेंट इन स्पेसिफिक सेकेंडरी सेक्टर्स। नेक्स्ट, एस्टेब्लिश योर ऑन इंडस्ट्रीज, वेरियस टाइप की इंडस्ट्रीज हैं आप एस्टेब्लिश कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट, एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ ऑन बिजनेस, बिजनेस भी डिफरेंट टाइप्स के हैं। अगर आपके पास नॉलेज है, पोटेंशियल है, और आपने यहाँ पर जो स्टडी डिस्कशन हुआ है उन इश्यूज को बहुत अच्छे से समझा है, तो यू कैन स्टार्ट योर ऑन बिजनेस एज वेल। स्कोप इन टर्सरी सेक्टर्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जो कि इंडिया के इकोनॉमी का सबसे ज्यादा पार्ट है। यू नो, आई होप यू नो एवरीवन, जीडीपी में सबसे ज्यादा प्रपोर्शन इंडियन इकोनॉमी में है, दैट इज इन रिलेटेड टू टर्सरी सेक्टर्स। सर्विस सेक्टर्स का जो है पार्ट जीडीपी ग्रोथ डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्टिविटी में सबसे ज्यादा है, क्योंकि हमारे पास वी हैव द स्किल्स, वी हैव द नॉलेज। इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा जो बिकने वाली चीज है दैट इज कॉल्ड द स्किल एंड नॉलेज, और वही जो है हम एकेडमिक में प्रोवाइड करते हैं। तो यहाँ पर किस टाइप की फैसिलिटीज, किस टाइप के जो है स्कोप अवेलेबल है, तो I have divided this particular things in two sectors. First, government sector as well as private sectors. तो no doubt बहुत सारे बच्चे डिफरेंट एग्जामिनेशन प्रिपरेशन के लिए बीकॉम के जो बच्चे हैं या बीबीए के जो बच्चे हैं, वो कहीं ना कहीं माइंडसेट लेकर आए होंगे कि हमें किसी पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम को क्रैक करना है। तो वो आपके प्राइवेट सेक्टर की भी हो सकती है और गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर्स की भी होता है। वन बाय वन वी विल डिस्कस ऑन एवरी एस्पेक्ट्स। फर्स्ट, बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट वन इज सिविल सर्विसेज। सिविल सर्विसेज जो है वो दैट इज related to the knowledge and skill. If you have the good knowledge as well as the skill related to the required examinations, you can crack the various exams. First one, government services में हम बात कर रहे हैं, जो सबसे टॉप मोस्ट सर्विसेज है दैट इज कॉल्ड द सिविल सर्विसेज। काफी सपना होता है बच्चों का, आई वांट टू बिकम अ आईएएस ऑफिसर, बट माइंड में क्या होता है, वी डोंट नो अबाउट दैट कि सिर्फ आईएएस से नहीं है, कॉमर्स और मैनेजमेंट के बच्चे के लिए काफी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है। टॉप लेवल की जो इंडिया की यूपीएससी एग्जामिनेशन से, टॉप लेवल की जो इंडिया की सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन से, उनमें नंबर वन बाय वन वी विल डिस्कस ऑन एवरी एस्पेक्ट्स। नंबर वन, इंडियन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सर्विसेज दैट इज कॉल्ड द आईएएस, जिसका आपने नाम बहुत अच्छे से सुना होगा। इंडियन फॉरेन सर्विसेज आईएफएस, इंडियन पुलिस सर्विसेज आईपीएस। जनरली स्टूडेंट्स और लोगों को इन तीनों चीजों के बारे में पता होता है, बट यू हैव टू नो अबाउट दैट। इंडियन अकाउंटिंग एंड फाइनेंस सर्विसेज, इंडियन ऑडिट एंड अकाउंट सर्विसेज, इंडियन रेवेन्यू सर्विसेज that is related to custom and excise, central excise, Indian defense account services, Indian revenue services, Indian ordnance factory services, Indian postal services, Indian civil accounting services. They are all try to understand कि इंडिया में जो टॉप मोस्ट जो इंडिया की जो यूनियन सर्विसेज जो होती हैं, सिविल सर्विसेज होती है, उसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ कॉमर्स और मैनेजमेंट के जो स्टूडेंट्स है, मोर देन 6-7 इसमें से ऐसी सेक्टर सर्विसेज हैं जिसमें सिर्फ आप ही अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, रिमेनिंग दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स, दूसरे जो स्ट्रीम के लोग अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते हैं। इफ वी हैव द आइडिया अबाउट द इंडियन ऑडिट एंड अकाउंटिंग सर्विसेज, इफ यू हैव द आइडिया अबाउट द इंडियन रेवेन्यू सर्विसेज, इफ यू हैव द आइडिया अबाउट द इंडियन सिविल अकाउंटिंग सर्विसेज एज वेल एज वेरियस accounting and taxation related services, we can get a good job in UPSC. Or in commerce and management, we will learn about the course and contents related to all these particular examinations. Next, staff service exam through the SSC, आपने नाम सुना होगा, स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन, जो कि आपके सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू जो है डिफरेंट जो स्टाफ है, लोअर डिवीजन क्लर्क इन वेरियस मिनिस्ट्रीज एंड डिपार्टमेंट्स में जहां रिक्रूटमेंट्स होते हैं, इंस्पेक्टर ऑफ सिविल एक्सरसाइज, इंस्पेक्टर ऑफ इनकम टैक्स ऑफिसर, सब इंस्पेक्टर इन सेंट्रल ब्यूरो ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन सीबीआई, सेंट्रल पुलिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, डिविजनल अकाउंट ऑडिट ऑफिसर एंड एक्सेट्रा, स्टैटिकल इन्वेस्टिगेटर, टैक्स असिस्टेंट एंड सिलेक्शन ऑफिसर इन इंडियन ऑडिट एंड अकाउंटिंग सर्विसेज, सिलेक्शन ऑफिसर एंड ऑडिट ग्रुप 2, एक्सेट्रा। So lot of opportunity available only for the student of commerce, my dear, in this particular SSC as well. Next, in banking services, yes, very important. Why? Because बैंकिंग का जो एरिया है, बैंकिंग का जो एट प्रेजेंट सिनारियो सबसे ज्यादा जो है वास्ट हो रहा है, इवन एज वेल एज मल्टीनेशनल बैंक जो है एज सुन एज पॉसिबल अभी वर्क भी कर रही है और काफी सारी जो है प्राइवेटाइजेशन के कारण बढ़ने वाली है। तो बैंकिंग सेक्टर में काफी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है कॉमर्स और मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। किस टाइप की अपॉर्चुनिटीज है? बैंक पीओ प्रोविजनल ऑफिसर के रूप में आप रिक्रूट हो सकते हैं, बैंक क्लर्क के रूप में रिक्रूट हो सकते हैं, बैंक स्पेशलाइज्ड ऑफिसर ओनली फॉर द एमबीए का अगर आपका स्पेशलाइजेशन मैनेजमेंट है, फाइनेंस है या मार्केटिंग है या फिर आपका एचआर है, तो यू कैन रिक्रूट डायरेक्टली इन बैंकिंग सेक्टर्स। आरआरबी रीजनल रूरल बैंक्स ऑफिसर स्केल 1 to 3 के जो रिक्रूटमेंट्स होते हैं, आरआरबी ऑफिसर असिस्टेंट के रिक्रूटमेंट्स होते हैं। तो बैंक में वेरियस बैंक है, मैंने गवर्नमेंट बैंक की बात कही है, एज वेल प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स के जितने भी बैंक्स हैं वो सारे आपके लिए ओपन है। बैंकिंग सर्विसेज एग्जाम थ्रू द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, एसबीआई एंड नाबार्ड, ये स्पेशली अपने जो है बैंक एग्जाम कंडक्ट करवाते हैं, आरबीआई, एसबीआई और नाबार्ड। बैंक पीओ, बैंक क्लर्क, बैंक स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफिसर फॉर एमबीए, सो यू कैन ज्वाइन this particular sectors if you have the potential as well as if you learn various things from this particular institutions. Next is the examinations conducted by the other government authorities. और भी काफी से गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटीज होती है जो एग्जाम कंडक्ट करवाती है। फॉर एग्जांपल स्टेट पीएससी, पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, एमपीपीएससी, आरपीएससी, यूपीएससी, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। वी हैव द 26 more than 27 states in India. So हर स्टेट अपने अपने लेवल पर स्टाफ जो है पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन की जो है एग्जामिनेशंस कंडक्ट करवाता है वेरियस डिपार्टमेंट्स में, तो यू कैन ज्वाइन दैट पर्टिकुलर एग्जामिनेशंस एज वेल। नेक्स्ट एजुकेशन रिलेटेड एग्जामिनेशन थ्रू सीबीएसई, यूजीसी, नेट एक्सेट्रा, वेरियस जो आपके एजुकेशन रिलेटेड सेक्टर से, प्राइमरी एजुकेशन बात करें, मिडिल हाई स्कूल एजुकेशन, मिडिल स्कूल एजुकेशन, कॉलेज लेवल एजुकेशन, उन सारे एजुकेशन सेक्टर्स में भी, सेंट्रल लेवल एजुकेशन, सभी एजुकेशन सेक्टर्स में भी डायरेक्ट एंड डायरेक्टली वेरियस टाइप की जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज अवेलेबल है। नेक्स्ट एग्जाम कंडक्टेड फॉर द स्टेट एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट अथॉरिटीज एज वेल एज स्टेट इटसेल्फ भी, और डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल के अथॉरिटीज भी वेरियस टाइप के एग्जाम कंडक्ट करवाते हैं रिलेटेड टू द कॉमर्स एंड मैनेजमेंट एज वेल। सर्विस सेक्टर्स इन प्राइवेट, सर्विस इन प्राइवेट सेक्टर, तो जो हमने लास्ट डिस्कशन किया इट वाज रिलेटेड टू द गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर के, गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में कहां-कहां वेरियस टाइप की सर्विसेज अवेलेबल है। नेक्स्ट है प्राइवेट सेक्टर। सो एज यू नो दैट्स कि प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स में मंसूर यूनिवर्सिटी के जो प्लेसमेंट्स हैं वो मध्य प्रदेश ही नहीं, इवन इंडिया के जो अनदर यूनिवर्सिटी से बेस्ट हैं। दैट्स व्हाई वी गेट द फर्स्ट पोजीशन इन प्लेसमेंट इन इंडिया, इन मध्य प्रदेश in last year. The opportunities in private sector, there are a lot of opportunities available in private sector, multinational companies. If you have the potentials and knowledge as well as some analytical aspects, the knowledge of analytical aspects, you can get the job in multinational companies, retail management, digital marketing, telecom, law firms, banks related to the taxation, audit, legal consultancy, etc. As well as you can become a good consultant in various field. Stock advisory, education, insurance, online tutorial, retail, etc. etc. There are a lot of opportunities available in the private sector. Thank you so much everyone. I hope you understood that kitne sari opportunities available hai. But for the concluding remark, I want to present a, excuse me beta. For the concluding remark, I want to present a particular a poem for this particular issues. Ki how can you avail this particular opportunities? So Purva Chal, this poem written by the Harivansh Rai Bachchan. Listen carefully. पूर्व चलने के बटोही बाट की पहचान कर ले, पूर्व चलने के बटोही बाट की पहचान कर ले। इट मींस यू हैव टू डिसाइड योर टारगेट, कहाँ हमें जाना है। पूर्व चलने के बटोही बाट की पहचान कर ले, पुस्तकों में नहीं छापी गई है इसकी कहानी, हाल इसका ज्ञात होता ना औरों की जबानी। अनगिनत राही गए इस राह से उनका पता क्या, पर गए कुछ लोग इस पर छोड़ पैरों की निशानी। यस एवरीवन, आप भी जिस एजुकेशन सेक्टर्स में आए हैं उस एजुकेशन सेक्टर्स में लर्न करने के बाद आपकी आइडेंटिटी बनी होनी चाहिए। जिस तरह से इन बच्चों के फोटोग्राफ्स हम आप लोगों के सामने दिखा रहे हैं, यह निशाने मुंह को होकर भी बहुत कुछ बोलती है, और खोल इसका अर्थ पंथी पंथ का अनुमान कर ले, पूर्व चलने के बटोही बाट की पहचान कर ले। और लास्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लाइंस कि कौन कहता है कि सपनों को न आने दे हृदय में। आई नो वेरी वेल, वी नो वेरी वेल कि आपके सबके अपने अपने कुछ सपने होंगे बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग दिस इंस्टीट्यूशंस। कौन कहता है कि सपनों को न आने दे हृदय में, हर कोई जीता इसे अपनी उम्र अपने समय में। स्वप्न आता स्वर का दृग कौरकों की दीप्त आती, पंख लग जाते पगों को ललकती उन्मुक्त छाती। रास्ते का एक कांटा पाँव का दिल चीर देता, रास्ते का एक कांटा पाँव का दिल चीर देता, रक्त की दो बूंद गिरती एक दुनिया डूब जाती। रास्ते का एक कांटा पाँव का दिल चीर देता, रक्त की दो बूंद गिरती एक दुनिया डूब जाती। यस, छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स के कारण अपने सपने खत्म हो जाते हैं। कुछ छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स होती है तो हम सपनों को छोड़ देते हैं। रास्ते का एक कांटा पांव का दिल चूर देता, रक्त की दो बूंद गिरती एक दुनिया डूब जाती। कि स्वप्न आंख में हो स्वर्ग लेकिन पांव धरती पर टिके हो, आंख में हो स्वर्ग लेकिन पांव धरती पर टिके हो, कंटकों की इस अनोखी सीख का सम्मान कर ले, पंथ चलने के बटोही पाठ की पहचान कर ले। डियर ऑल, ट्राई टू फाइंड योर goal, try to find your objective. That's why you can get a good job as well as good place in particular economy. Thank you so much. Thanks for giving this wonderful opportunity everyone. And last thing I want to say something कि आप लोगों की जो क्लासेस है उसका शेड्यूल as soon as possible आपके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से प्रोवाइड कर दिया जाएगा, जो नेक्स्ट डे से जो आपकी क्लासेस स्टार्ट होने वाली है। थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक्स फॉर लिसनिंग एंड वेलकम।
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words and a beautiful poem. I hope you all are enjoying this. Now, we have come to the end of the program, and I would like to invite Yashika to propose vote of thanks.
A very good morning to all. I, Ashika, a student of BCom third sem. Regarding this, it is honor and privilege to extend vote of thanks on this occasion. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. Today, I take this opportunity to put all my gratitude in the form of words. On behalf of the DPMC department, I would like to thank all of you. I thank Professor Avinash Vikram, who always graces us. Thank you, sir, for sharing your words of wisdom with us. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by our beloved teachers. Avinash sir, Mukesh sir, Gopal sir, Azhar Ahmed sir, Saurabh sir, Sonakshi ma'am, Rupen sir and Sham sir. You all have been a constant support and gave us a lot of encouragement. I thank all the students for showing their interest in the program. I once again thank everyone for making this program successful. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us.